It's Ninja O'Clock. We're going to do a roast chicken today after our massive success of the roast beef last week, which was as good as any roast I've ever had or ever made. So we've got parsnips, we've got carrots, we've got potatoes. They're parboiled, proper ones this time, not frozen ones. A bit of paprika, salt and pepper seasoning.
So this is our free-range, corn-fed, nice chicken.
Which we got. Why? Why did we go for free-range corn-fed chicken?
Because I don't want to eat battery hen chickens.
Oh, not because it was on a yellow label Skank Rail
No, this
Morrison
was
special.
expensive. This was a good chicken.
But you paid full price for it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So you put the thermometer probe in the thick part of the chicken, making sure you don't hit the bone.
Probe that breast.
Wrong. Then
I didn't get the eye roll this week. Right, go
I've
on.
already set it to chicken.
Chicken.
So then it's now got to heat up. Chicken.
Yeah, you've done the preset.
Oh,
You've done the
hang on.
chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Stop, that's the one. There you go, so that's going to heat up.
Ooh, lovely.
And then we can chuck it all in. Obviously it comes out of the plastic. Or does that melt?
Here we go. And we've got the roasting tray one there. Chicken goes in. Chicken goes in. Groovy.
I'm hoping it's not going to hit that thing at the top.
Groovy, baby. So now, well, I'm sure it'll sort itself out. You know, it is free ranging after all. There's our veg and everything in there. Been pre-sprayed with some sunflower oil. And so chicken, carrot, parsnip, and potato. Was there anything else going to whack in there?
Not yet.
Okay, so let's go. That's good to go. My God, it's like it's got bigger breasts than Jordan. Oh, we didn't season the outside of the chicken.
Oh, do you want to lift it up again then?
I'm going to season the outside of the chicken
What
with the
with
salt,
this?
pepper and paprika. Yeah, that'll be lush. Should maybe spray it with a bit of that oil spray.
No, stick on. That'll be
Well,
all right.
no, because then that will fry that up and that'll stick on nice too. Then we can get it on the side here. Go on the side of the legs as well. That's probably good. There you go, here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. I got a kick out of that.
Good. You're a wee
Yeah,
guy.
watching you rubbing those breasts.
Don't be a freak.
You don't get that on Jamie Oliver. Right, so let's get you up to temperature and then we can eat you. Lush. Food Ninja, Food Ninja. Chip, chop, chip. Okay, so looking at that, we've been in 17 minutes. We're already up to 38 degrees. So we've gone up 28-degree rise. So that's about a third of what we need to hit. So yeah, so we're probably looking 45 minutes again. We're going to open it up again. What we're probably going to do is take the dogs for a walk, then Yorkies and stuffing balls in.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to have to flip those potatoes over just so they're not going brown just on one side. But yeah, I think that's looking good.
That's your spatula.
That is the most ridiculous. I told you that was a ridiculously sized spatula. Why aren't we under the extractor fan either?
Oh, because we were boiling things, aren't we?
Your house, I don't mind. Yeah, that's stupid. I think we'll wash that. We'll take it upstairs tonight and have a little experimentation. Great. So now I've got a salt and pepper seasoned paprika fucking. Well, it's been half an hour now. We're only 7 degrees off our temperature, so that's 15 minutes to get our Yorkies and that done. We need to crack on. We need to get hurrying. So I'm going to whip that up. We'll lose a little bit of time. That's all looking good. The veg is ready. I would say. Don't know about potatoes yet, but certainly because obviously they're small. I think I may have skipped out of alignment on my video. So I'm hand holding and stirring and flipping. Yeah, so they look. Potatoes coming on. Oh yeah, they're feeling good. Right, so Aunt Bessie's stuffing balls. You know, stuffing is like just you mix water and a knob of butter with a little packet of stuff. It takes like
no, I know, but I'm thinking
30 seconds.
I'm thinking about the easiest way of doing it in this machine.
Right. Okay. Well, I suppose going from frozen, they get a chance to harden up on the outside.
Is that enough for you two?
What, stuffing balls?
Yeah.
Nah.
3 each?
Yeah. Why not? Should we have 2 Yorkies each?
That's it.
That's plenty enough.
That's plenty enough, right.
Okay, let's close
all
them.
the chicken's been touching there.
Oh yeah. Oh, dirty food ninja. Dirty breast fondling ninja. Right, cool. Oh, hang on. I've just noticed something. There's virtually no fat or juices have come out of this chicken.
It's underneath.
Oh, that might be that
No, actually,
organic.
no, it's underneath. No, it won't be.
No, it won't be in that. We've been taken by surprise here. Not in a sort of prison sense. What's happened is it's gone, yeah, we're done, get food, and we've only been in 40 minutes. And that means that if we open that up now, Yorkshires are going to collapse.
Yeah. We can just leave it resting. It's still going to be hot in there.
That's what we're going to do. It's still going to be hot.
So
we know the veg is about right, potatoes
the veg
about
is done.
right.
I reckon if we leave it 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
I reckon if we turn the oven off.
What we need, yeah, we can turn the oven off for the leaks.
You need a window.
We need a window.
Ninja.
Ninja.
Put a window in.
Ninja, put a window.
Put a window in.
Put a little slitty kind of like bit like they have in the ninja masks there, like that. That's what we need. A viewing thing. Okay. That would be handy actually. Mind you, that'd increase the price because the engineer would have to change that. But no, it's alright. I'm gonna make another cocktail. How are we doing on this? Yeah, actually, those Yorkies looking good, the potatoes look good. So, come and have a look at my lovely chicken. Look at that. Oh, that skin feels nice and crisp. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, that bit gets hot.
I'll leave that poking in there. So let's take chicken out. Everything's looking good in there. The spuds are looking, yeah, they're looking good. Everything's looking good. So, we'll close that up, keep it warm. Let's cut into this delicious corn-fed East Anglian, running around scot-free, happy and full of beans until they killed it. Chicken. And we'll see what's what. Oh. Skin looks lovely. Right, have a look here. So you've got that little bit of browning on the top there. Skin's good. Right. Have a look here. Try and avoid the steam, otherwise that'll put in. That's lovely. That's straight through. There's no pink.
Yeah.
It's nice and moist inside. I can see into the breast cavity here. There's plenty of moisture in there. Okay, so that's really good. So instead of all draining in the pan, that's stayed in there. That's really good. The thighs look good. The legs look good. And plate this up.
Cool.
Right, here's our chicken. Lovely. Right, we're going to put this on the plate. Just take a bit of string off. That is really tender and juicy. So the proof's going to be in the eating, of course, but spuds look great.
Oh, gravy.
Look at that. I mean, look at that. I mean, look at that. That just looks. That looks
amazing.
How's it tasting? What's the chicken like?
Oh, hang on.
What have you eaten so far?
A bit of stuffing, carrot, and some gravy.
Okay, carrot's good. Yeah, cooked well.
Yeah. Gravy's lovely. I know that wasn't in the ninja.
Plus onions, gravy granules, and garlic, but
that's good.
leg meat still moist.
Yeah.
Not dried out. That's good then. So this is I'm part way through, and I've had a bit of everything, and it's really good. Carrots are good. Parsnips look a bit overcooked on the outside, but they're actually really good. Really good. Spuds are really good. Chicken's juicy throughout. It's really nice. I think that's really... It's great for roast, isn't it? I don't think you can fault the roast at all. I mean the leg meat, that's tender, juicy. It's not dried out. Breast meat hasn't dried out. No, it's really good. I had a problem with the card just now. No, I'm really. I will get one of these. That's all gone again. So, you know, I'm not sponsored. I'm not being paid for this or anything, but actually, I am, despite myself. I'm very cynical as well as slightly squiffy. I am really impressed, and I mean, now I've got this for 150 on Amazon Prime Day, so £100 off. Is it worth £250? Actually, I think so. I'm really impressed with everything we've had. The chicken was really good, really moist. You know, all the vegetables good, everything was good, and we're still only learning. We've made like something like 4 or 5 meals.